Hello, in front of me I've got Jedi Survivor. In this video I'll show you how to enable and manage subtitles. In the beginning, let's go to Options. Enter Accessibility, go to Subtitles. Now switch this button to enable or disable subtitles, and then you can change subtitles scale, letterbox opacity. You can enable sound effect captions, subtitle directional indicator, dialog closed captions. You can hide background dialogue and change text language. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.